Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to be doing like a what I eat in, there we go. I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day following Emily, I don't know how to say her last name. Mariko. I'm so sorry. I couldn't find it on Google or anywhere. But I'm gonna be eating vegan. So I feel like she wears bright colors, but I'm gonna work out today, so I'm just wearing this. And I'll show you what I'm going to be making for breakfast. I know what I'm going to be making for lunch, but I haven't decided for dinner. And today I'm actually trying a lot of new foods. Well, not trying, I guess, like forcing myself to eat foods I don't like. So the breakfast had like tomato, and I don't like tomato, but we're just going to suck it up. And I don't know what cheese she was using in her breakfast, but I'm just going to use the vegan cream cheese I have. She posted this. It's like toast, tomato. I literally hate tomato, but I'm gonna do it. And I don't know what type of cheese that is, but I'm just gonna do vegan cream cheese. And that'll be my breakfast, and it looks like she says coffee with creamer, so it's perfect. Okay, you're currently on a can. So I'm using these bagel tins, but I'm actually gonna make one for my dad, so I can make one with real cream cheese, I think is what it was. This is my dad's. This is mine. I did not mean to get the lox one, but it's pretty good still. I don't really eat tomatoes, so I don't care how I cook them. There we go. And basically, this is gonna take all of the seeds out of mine. Okay, this is what this looks like. First, my father. It would honestly be easier if we had bigger tomatoes to cut, because those are like tiny. I literally cannot believe I'm eating tomatoes. Shouldn't seem like a big deal to like normal humans, but for me, huge deal. And salt. Here's the first one. Slices aren't that cute. Alright, not the best view, but time to try it. I literally don't eat tomatoes. Like, I swear on my life, I don't eat them. Here goes. That's fire. I don't have a problem with the flavor. I don't like the gooey seeds, I think. Really good. This isn't a lot of waste. We do have a compost. I guess the worst part about what I just did is I use a paper towel, and I use these to dry the tomatoes, which I should be using just like a washcloth or something, but take note for next time. I'm so happy. I've been like washing my rice, which I didn't even know I was supposed to do till TikTok. I don't know, I just like didn't grow up cooking, and my family doesn't really eat rice, so yeah. But I found this strainer, which should be perfect for rinsing. I don't know if my dad's gonna want to eat this, but I'm gonna make mine with tofu. And we have like fish in the freezer, so I was gonna pan fry that for him. And I bought sriracha. I've never had sriracha. And I have vegan mayo, and we have regular mayo, but not like the squeeze kind for the mayo, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. I like to add a little bit of oil. I think my friend taught me this, so it doesn't stick to the bottom. I like double the water to be softer. I know some people just do equal part. It just looks like that. So, cooker's pretty old, but rice is ready, but still not ready for us to eat it. Whoa, lots of water. But I'm gonna fluff that. And okay, it's like 1:30, and I'm gonna just prep the tofu before I walk, and then I'll eat. Sorry, I just got spaced out. But I'm really, really excited because I just got a tofu press. So it looks like this. And then you put this thing right here, and this will help me with reducing my waste a lot. Because if you've ever pressed tofu before, you would know that you need a lot of paper towels, or it gets like everything wet and the water just gets everywhere. So this should make me use 0 paper towels. Definitely prefer the extra firm tofu organic as well. I'm done. And then we're just gonna take this and press. At the box, and somehow you're supposed to lock both on. I don't know if my tofu's like literally way too big. Maybe I'll try to cut it in half. So it locked, and I'll put it in the fridge. This actually stinks, but this is, I think it's halibut. The smell, there's just something that tastes better than it smells. All right, I'm back. We're gonna rinse it with cold water, and then I'll just like prep it for the pan. I honestly just put some in the pan, and I'm just gonna brush and flip. Okay, back from the walk, and I'm going to cook now. Season the fish and reduce the heat, and then there's the tofu and tomato. Okay. Always have to crouch. Well, review time. Mine was with the tofu. Still eating it, but I'm gonna finish it. It's really good, really filling. For me, I've never had sriracha before. And I used vegan mayo, obviously. Sriracha is really good. It's like a little shocking, the flavor. I don't know if it's salty. No, I don't know, but a little spicy. So I added avocado, which helped a lot with the spice. The fish actually smelled really, really good. And I cooked it all the way through. He literally devoured it, so I couldn't even get a photo. But he used mayo and sriracha and no avocado. And he really liked it. We've never really had a dish like this in our family, so yeah. Oh, I also added this because I feel like tofu doesn't have a lot of flavor, even though I seasoned it like a lot. It just loses flavor, and the middle needs to be seasoned. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing for dinner yet. My family might make pizza, and I can't find any videos of Emily eating pizza. This was definitely a success. Even though I like the smell of the fish, I don't wish that I ate it because it kind of makes me repulsed thinking about it. So I don't know if I said this, but I'm drinking a Celsius now, and I'm gonna get back to my schoolwork. I swear on my life, Emily does not eat pizza, and that's what my family's making. I mean, I don't know if she doesn't eat pizza, but there's like literally not one recipe. This might be giving me pizza vibes. You're baking bread with olive oil, rubbing garlic, cheese, mozzarella, or yeah. I mean, it's like toast, but it's pizza. Rolling the pizza. Here's our toppings. And the meat is done. Come here. Here's our pizza.
What did you say?